morning everyone. In previous video we have learned topics, points, line segment and line. Now in this video we are going to see the topic rays. These are rays. Look in this picture. What do you see? Rays starting from sun and go forward to in all directions. So from where these rays start, this point is called origin. The light rays from the torch also start from a point and go forward continuously in one direction. Here in these pictures you can see the rays started from torch and going through in one direction continuously. A ray is a part of line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of ray is called origin. Here P is origin, X is origin, L is origin, and you have to read ray as ray PQ, ray XY, ray M. You cannot read ray as ray QP. So read as ray PQ, ray XY, ray ML. Now here three topics are covered: line segment, line and rays. Now we will see an infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. Suppose this is the point P. We can draw many lines, infinite number of lines going through point P. They are called concurrent lines. These all lines are concurrent because all they go through a single point. So these lines are called concurrent lines. The common point through which they passes are called point of concurrence. So P is point of concurrence. Here point O is point of concurrence. And now here one more topic is one and only line can be drawn through any two distinct points. Here two points are taken, point P and point Q. We can draw only one line going through these 2 points. Now we will see collinear and non-collinear points. Three or more points which lie on single straight line are said to be collinear points. These are collinear points. Points which do not lie on same line are called non-collinear points. Now these are non-collinear points. Now revise all that points and solve exercise based on this. And please note down all that points. Now we will see next video, next points.